5 of 6.3. In this video we will complete construct triangle DEF. DE and EF, they are 6 centimeter. I'll write here in the corner DE and EF, they both are 6 centimeter, they are equal. DE opposite angle is angle F, EF opposite angle is angle D. Angle F is 45, angle D will be 45. Now angle D plus angle E plus angle F, their total is 180. Sum of the angles of triangle property, 3 angles total is 180. Now 2 angles like angle D 45, angle F 45, their total will become 90, and angle E should show a measure like 90. Angle E measure is 90 degree. We got all the 3 angles measure. Now it will be easy to start the construction. We got the measure of angle E. Now the first thing, I am going to draw DE segment in the beginning. So let us draw DE segment of length 6 centimeter. This is the base. Let us construct now. This is the base DE, 6 centimeter base DE is drawn, 6 centimeter. Angle we have angle D measure 45, but I will take angle E measure here 90 degree. So this is suppose 90 degree, a straight line 90 degree in measure. This is E point of measure 90 degree. EF is also 6 centimeter. So this is EF 6 centimeter. F point is got on this line, EF 6 centimeter. I am going to join point F and point D. Let us join them, point F and point D. This is DF, we got it. Now the circumcircle. For that purpose, 2 bisectors, perpendicular bisectors are needed. Let us draw them. More than half from E point, from D point, then the point of intersection. We are going to join the point of intersection. This is the first perpendicular bisector number 1, perpendicular bisector number 1. The second perpendicular bisector we will draw for E and F. Take more than half. 2 arcs from E, 2 arcs from F will be drawn. Yes, the 2 arcs are intersecting here. We will draw the second perpendicular bisector of these 2 points. The second perpendicular bisector is got for EF. Now with the center, which is generally on the side, which is generally on the side of right angle triangle, we are going to complete the circumcircle. So with this center, we will draw a circumcircle. This is circumcircle passing from the 3 vertices of example number 5.